Hello, Senior Stoner fans. It's the Real Senior Stoner back at you for another in our series of product reviews, unboxings, and first impressions. This is by Genius, the Genius Pipe. Let's get started. Well, you've all seen that I've been trying to bring quality flower vaporizers to everybody so you can see them at an affordable price. This is another stab at flower. This is a pipe that cools the smoke. Let's get started. By a company called Genius, and it's called the Genius Pipe. Comes very simply in a box with a sticker, a couple of extra screens, and a very cool Genius Pipe. The Genius Pipe runs anywhere from $85 to $129, depending on how you want it to look. They do a lot of custom skins, they do a lot of things that are eye appealing, but the design and what the Genius Pipe does is pure genius. Let's dive into it. First thing you want to do when you buy it is activate your lifetime manufacturer warranty. You scan that through its website. Let's talk about the technology. They use 2,000 microvortices, they're called, inside the Genius Pipe to create the healthy experience. It's a waterless cooling filtration system for less tar, cough-free experience using safe materials with a really good airflow. This is the technology called microvortices. Each ridge is a place where the smoke has to go and pass through and it cools down. What you do, very simply in the design of the product, is you open the skin. Everything assembles magnetically. Let's take it apart and take a look first of all. You have three components you want to be looking at. You want to look at the top piece. You want to look at the bottom piece. They fit together like a magnet, like that, okay? The next thing you want to look at is called the slider. And it is just what it says. It fits on and it slides. We'll talk about it very shortly. So those are the components. It's called slide and smoke because what you do is you slide open the bowl to expose the bowl. It's a shallow bowl. And then you fill it and you smoke. You slide it closed to extinguish it, the flame, and save the herb. You can fill it, slide it and go, and take it with you. You can smoke through the logo cutout to protect it from wind. So you have multiple ways to use the product. Fully exposed, a targeted approach with a filter on it, and to shut it off. So you have basically three places to go. Cleaning this pipe and disinfecting is extremely easy. You simply separate the two magnetic pieces, wipe with alcohol, and clean it back again. The Genius Pipe. It really is genius. What a splendid airflow. And when I say splendid airflow, it's really good. You're toking and you're really not feeling any draw resistance whatsoever. So this is the Genius Pipe. Couple features and benefits about it. It's going to give a smooth hit. It's going to give flavor and terpenes more opportunity to get to you. It's going to save money because you're not going to waste product because you're going to be able to shut it down after a couple of hits. It's got a very sleek design to fit in a pocket or a purse and a lifetime warranty. There are accessories that they sell if you want to buy something to add on or change. As I said, there are different skins and different colors that you can use. So you can make it very personalized, the experience with the Genius Pipe for you individually. I really like the Genius Pipe concept. Now we're going to put the rubber to the road. Let's have a hit with the Genius Pipe and see what it's all about. Let's see if it really does cool the smoke. Because don't forget, we're not going to be getting vapor. We're going to be getting straight hits. And you know what a hit is like on a pipe. It can be very harsh sometimes. So this is all about cooling the smoke, making it more tolerable for you so you can have a better smoking experience. This is, by Genius, the Genius Pipe. Here we go. Hold on, find one that works. Hold on. All my lighters don't work. Very good airflow. And when I mean very good, it's almost like there's nothing restricting the airflow at all. I'm smoking straight from a pipe right now, and I'm not coughing. This is something special. They call it the Genius Experience. I don't think it makes me feel more like a genius, but I feel pretty smart for finding this pipe. It's called the Genius Pipe, everybody. And it really does do what it says it will do. It makes the smoke, remember, not vapor here. It makes the smoke tolerable. Preserves all the taste. Wow, I'm really impressed. The Genius Pipe. There are a lot of options in colors. There are a lot of options in size. $85 to about $125. It's not inexpensive, but look at what it does. All right, and if there was enough in there to take with you for another trip, you'd close it down like this, put it in your pocket, take it out somewhere, light again, and go to town. Very flexible, very usable device. I totally like it. I'm sold. Double thumbs up from Senior Stoner on the Genius Pipe at geniuspipe.com. Wow. You can smoke pot with something small like this in your hand and no coughing. Say it again. You can smoke pot with something small like this in your hand, no coughing. This has been the Real Senior Stoner introducing the Genius Pipe to everybody. I am doubly impressed. It does everything it said it would do. Preserved my taste. Made it so I didn't cough. Took the tar out. Wow. That design, that patented design of theirs, these ridges, let's call them, really take care of the smoke. Pardon me, of the smoke. They tamp it down dramatically. I didn't cough once. I'm really liking this. The Genius Pipe. Thanks for being here, everybody. You know what to do if you enjoyed this unboxing and review of the Genius Pipe. Hit the subscribe button, send a like, and I reply to all the comments. Thanks for joining me. I value every one of you. This has been the Real Senior Stoner and the Genius Pipe. Cheers, and have a wonderful day, everybody. And thanks for joining the Real Senior Stoner.